Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. If you are catching this video on Instagram TV, feel free to share this along with your friends. Now, let's get into today's video. Where do I start? I start with the doll's been sitting in my house for quite some time, and that is spring has sprung. So you might hear a lot of that in this video, just so you know. This doll has been sitting in my house for quite some time, and I would like to say that school has kept me busy, but I think another part is I don't have that much interest in her. I care for the clothes, but not for her. If anyone watching this has caught me on live with Kyle, saw me, catch me, you got the drift. You saw that I kind of had some interest because he fell in love with it, but then after I saw his in person, I was like, yeah, she works for his collection, not so much mine, and I think that slowed down the process even more. But enough talking. I have the box right here, as you can all tell by the icon photo. It's such a gem. It's the design competition. Ooh. The design competition winning look is what I meant to say while I was rudely interrupted by myself. And I was super excited for this look, and I was super excited for the designer that won the competition because I have been following them on Instagram for quite some time. And I had been meaning to buy from them, but I don't know if anyone else goes through this where like you really want something, but then whenever it's released, either you don't have the money for it at that time or like it sold out what you wanted. Obstacles were just in the way. But since this doll was in production, I did end up buying a look from them. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that look when I went to California. Nausea wore it. I actually also shared it in my nausea video. Yeah, I did. All right, so I'm not gonna have this up a lot because, you know, I feel how I feel about it. And I doubt that my feelings are going to change. Just saying. I love a good flat box. Okay, my feelings didn't change. This is actually the first. Is it the first? No, it's the second. You see, I got so excited for it that I forgot that I already did an unboxing with a fashion card. Love that these are back. Really appreciate it. Love how they're featured in the box. She's gorgeous. Can't wait for someone to adopt her from me. It's just not for me. I'm also not in a place when I want to do a lot of projects. If I'm like inspired to do a project, or like if the doll from the moment I see her is like, oh my god, let's do this. Not like she's actually telling me that, but you know what I'm saying? Then I'll be more drawn to it. But right now, with this particular doll, it's really a no for me. I don't want to go through the project. I prefer to put her up for adoption, which is what we're gonna do. Oh, right. I should show you. Here she is. Let me get a little closer. Let me cover my face. You got a drift, Okay, lovely. Now, that was quick, right? I think this is the fastest one that I've ever done. Times are changing. If you've never been to my channel or seen one of my videos, I'm kind of having to learn a new vocabulary because I'm sharing these on IGTV, so bear with me. So if you've never seen one of my videos before, then let me let you know that I'm going to go ahead and unbox her off camera, and then I'll come back. I'll display her in what she is meant to look like with all her accessories and stuff. And then I did plan a restyle, so I will be showing her restyle, although she's not staying with me. And then there's something else. That's probably why I speed up the unboxing process, because there's a lot of styling that I want to show you. So let's get into it. So here's Miss Thing. I feel like I haven't called her by her name, but whatever. We all know what it is. There we go. Focus. I actually have to say, in person, the lip is not as red, which is actually super nice. But yeah, here she is. I don't know if I've said this before. I'm just a little over blue eyes. It seems to be a default, and it's not my favorite default. So we'll leave that at that. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, apologies for the shaky hand. Why couldn't we choose another color but red? I just feel like the combo of the green and the gold and the red is very Christmassy. And there's just so many other gemstone colors that could have been used. Listen, we could have even done diamonds with the gold. But that's just a personal pet peeve. Just saying. I usually start at a shoe. I really should stop saying I usually start at a shoe, but due to the sheer and the length, we obviously aren't there. But it's a pretty basic strap. Nothing super like out of this world. Apologies for the stand. This is not hers, it's the Meteor. If anyone knows what the Meteor look like. Usually when I am reselling a doll in her box, I usually keep the stand in there so the person who's purchasing gets the stand as well. So I didn't take that out. But just a quick moment looking at her from top to bottom, giving you a full vibe of what she looks like. I'm obsessed with the fact that this train is so long. I just love a good train. Also, the fabric feels amazing. Just had to shout that out. But I'm super excited to now redress her into something else just to show you what I envisioned her in, although I'm not keeping her. I feel like it's the first time I've ever said so much that I'm not keeping her, but it's the first time for everything. And then show you what I was thinking of doing with this look. Are you ready? Yeah. I want to start at the shoes this time due to the fact that this dress can allow you to see it. And just the fact that it has a very small detail of like a ruby on it as well. I guess to tie it into everything. I don't feel it as necessary, but hey, it's a little different. I honestly almost feel like it could have just stayed as a gold strappy sandal. It would have been perfectly fine, but it is what it is. Now, this was the look that I had just been envisioning her in, especially after Kyle did his unboxing. This look actually belongs to Kyle, but he redressed her in something else. So here she is. I don't know, there's just something about this particular rendition, it's a good word we could use, of Dania that gives me very just Asian. I don't want to say crazy rich Asian, although this was very opulent. Is that the word? I might have said that wrong. Bear with me. But yeah, there's just something about, I guess, the hairstyle and the screening, if you minus the blue eyes, that kind of really gives me, I think we said it on the live, she's very Astrid to me. If you've read Crazy Rich Asians, the books, then you kind of know what I'm talking about. And if you've seen the movie, then you know the character who played her. So this was the look that I had envisioned for her due to all of those reference points. Oh, the lighting is really good over here. I should have just dealt with it here. But you get the... Oh, we're losing focus. Focus. There we go. But yeah, here she is redressed. Hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so here's my restyle. I couldn't wait to put it on these lovely girls. Don't they look stunning? I have been wanting to get this outfit and this doll for so long just so I can pair this gold skirt to something else. It literally just created a whole new look if you have another top to match it with. I guess you can say my story is silver and gold. One young lady over here is wearing all of the gold, and this young lady is wearing the silver with the dress. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Also, if you watch my Meteor bodies, if you watch my Meteor videos, then this is the aftermath. This young lady has gotten a full reroute, and a body transplant. It's still a little light, but it kind of blends with her a little bit better and kind of also just, I don't know, shines. I like it. I also went and darkened her eyes a little bit to give it more of a natural look. I kept her eyes a little lighter, so when I do photograph her, there's a little bit more pop in the reflection. But she only just got a new body. Well, she's actually borrowing someone's body because we haven't received replacement bodies from Integrity, so it works for now. But yeah, here are the looks. Give a little zoom out vibe so you can get a head to toe feel for everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video with me. Right? Because you watched it with me. Or you watched me. You get it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's content. I hope you press that subscribe button along with the bell notification and went ahead and shared it with your friends. I got some pre-orders, so things should be coming. My feelings are in some kind of way today because of what happened earlier in the day with a certain release and me not getting anything. So let us pray for the content on this channel because 2021 is starting off to a rocky start collecting wise, and yeah, we're gonna have to figure things out. We're gonna take it one day at a time though. We're gonna take it one day at a time. But until next time, bye guys.